Home Remedies presents. This trick will make your hair grow super fast. Only one simple ingredient. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will tell you a treatment that couldn't be simpler either and you can do it in your own home. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. The ingredients is readily available in everyone's home and I'm very sure you can try out this remedy immediately after watching the video. The one ingredient recipe I'm going to share with you today is rice water. Rice water can stimulate hair growth, strengthen the strands, and improve scalp health. Plus, it fortifies your hair's roots while adding body and shine. How to make rice water? First, I will inform you about 3 different ways to prepare rice water. Soaking method. Soaking is the quickest method to make rice water. Take half cup of uncooked rice, wash and rinse thoroughly. Place rice in a bowl with 2 to 3 cups of water. Leave to soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, crush the rice with your fingers so that all the nutrients of it get absorbed in the water. Strain the rice water into a clean bowl. Fermenting method. Some rice water advocates claim fermented rice water has more benefits than plain rice water. To ferment rice water, follow steps 1 to 3 of the soaking method. Before straining, leave the rice water to stand at room temperature for up to 2 days, allowing it to ferment. Strain the rice water into a clean bowl before use. Boiling method. Another way to make rice water is by boiling the rice. Cover half cup of rice with double the water typically used for cooking. When the rice is fully cooked, strain the rice water into a clean bowl before use. How to use rice water? You can replace commercial conditioners with rice water. After washing the hair with your regular shampoo, pour rice water onto the hair. Massage the rice water into the hair and scalp. Leave on for up to 20 minutes. Rinse hair thoroughly using warm water. Voila! You will have longer, lusher hair almost instantly. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.